Hello everybody and welcome to my channel now. Vending machine again. Porsche 914 Safari in yellow, the original color. The Camaro Batmobile, which looks like a Dodge Charger. The new Dodge Charger. And the white 914 Safari. Two Nissan, blue and red. Motorbike, the Jaguar, Camaro, Corvette, another Nissan, the white Porsche, Ford Maverick, Dodge Ram, GMC Cyclone, AC Cobra, some racing car, Greenwood Corvette, the Dodge Challenger. I may buy this because I want the car behind, the Toyota Land Cruiser. More Batmobile, white 914. I don't know what is this. So number 39. Twice. Again. So this is what I have bought. This especially is very nice. So join me again when I unbox this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.